girl. Hey little mamas, welcome back to another video. For those that are new, hey girl, hey boy, my name is eri.reneee. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. So let's get right into this video. As y'all can tell, in my bathroom, I'm trying to set like the little aesthetics. Hopefully it's not an echo in here, but we're going to be doing my favorite body care products and shower care products. So yeah, if y'all are interested in seeing this video, make sure to keep on watching. Hey girls, so let's get right into this video. So I'm going to be showing you all first. I think I'm going to show you all some of my favorite shower care routine products first. If y'all have seen any of my shower care routine videos, girl, you probably already have an idea of what I'm about to show you, but let's get right into it. Okay, so first, let's start off with some scrubs. I love me a good little body scrub. So the first one I'm going to show you all is actually going to be from Tree Hut, and I actually used this in my last video. If y'all haven't seen that, make sure to check it out. It was my shower routine and I used this in it. This smells so good. This specific scent is called coconut lime. Baby, it smells so good, okay? Like if you love like that lime lemon scent, it just smells so good, y'all. And I don't really like fruity things. This isn't really giving me the vibe of like fruitiness. I mean, you would think it would, but it honestly doesn't. It smells so good, y'all. And their body scrubs are really good. I like a good, like, rough body scrub. Like, I wouldn't feel like to be scrubbing my skin, if you get what I'm saying, okay? We don't want no soft scrub, okay? We need the big boys. We need the big boys, okay? I really do like using this. And then I have another one, but I don't have it with me today. But I like using the Necessaire body scrub. Girl, that one isn't as rough as the Tree Hut, but it still does its job. Like, I feel so bougie when I'm using that body scrub. I just love using that one. It smells so good. I get the scent eucalyptus, and baby, that scent smells so good. I love eucalyptus anything, but I really do love that scrub, y'all. I need to re-up on that because that's a really good body scrub. And speaking of Necessaire, I like to also use their body wash. As y'all can see, your girl needs to re-up on it because it's getting pretty low. So this is in the scent eucalyptus. Like I told y'all, eucalyptus is my favorite. I think they have like 3 different scents. I think one is just unscented eucalyptus, and then I think sandalwood. I've never tried that sandalwood one, but eucalyptus is my girl. She is my go-to. So this, I really do like this a lot, and I love how they made their bottle very squishy so that it's easy to like pour the body wash out, because y'all know how some like companies, it be shaped just like this, the bottle and everything, and it'd be so hard to squeeze the product out. Like, girl, I do not want to be struggling taking out my body wash. So I just love the packaging, everything about Necessaire. Girl, I love them, okay? I also have their body serum. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to show you all is like specifically for like self-care, when you just want to relax, lay back. I actually got these little eye patches right here from Peter Thomas, and I feel like these are okay. Like, I don't know if I've used these enough to really see a difference. I feel like for the price, I feel like I can get some other type of eye patches. Yeah, I don't know. But they come with 3 different types. One is to brighten, one is to firm, and the other one is to be puff. So they're really cute though. I love how thick the eye patches are because I usually get mine from like Sephora. And if you know, girl, their patches be a little thin, but I feel like they do a job. These are very thick, which I really do like because I feel like it literally sticks to my skin, and that's what I like. So this one is the cucumber one, and this is the one that is supposed to, I think, keep it firm. No, this is the one that depuffs, and this is the 24 gold one. This one is to firm, and then you have the last one, which is the potent C, which is supposed to brighten. The vitamin C is supposed to brighten. So it looks like this. The packaging is very cute, y'all. I think I spent $19 on this, or $15. It was on sale at Ulta, so I just decided to give it a try because I do like Peter Thomas's. I like his products. I have his face mask, and I really do like this other product that I've been using for like my body care routine. Is actually going to be from Soap and Glory. I have been hearing so many good things about Soap and Glory brand, but I have never tried them. So So I decided one day to go into Ulta and pick me up a couple of products. So this is one of them. I use this in my body care routine that I just posted. So I'm gonna have my shower care routine / body care routine linked down below in case you all have missed it. So yeah, this is just a foot cream, and girl, when I tell you my feet be feeling so soft, like, girl, if you haven't never used like a foot scrubber, I feel like you should use a foot scrubber and then put this on. Girl, your feet will be feeling so good. Even if you don't use the foot scrubber, if you just use this by itself, your feet will be feeling so soft, so good, y'all. Like, this is really bomb. And it has macadamia oil, fruit acid smoothers. It's just so bomb. And it also says it has refreshing menthol in it. I do feel like a little coolness, which I really do like. I like that in my products, y'all. I don't know about y'all, but I like that in my products. When I get like that little cooling sensation feel, I just feel like the product is actually breaking. So yeah, this is really, really bomb. I really want to try like some of their other products because, girl, I've been seeing people rave about their little body butter. Let me know down below if y'all have tried that, because I really do want to give that a try, because I've been hearing some good things about it. So yeah, make sure to pick this up, and it smells really, really good. I really do like this. Okay, so another thing that I have been using like for my body care, for like within my body, to make sure like within is good, I've been using these probiotic pills from home, and I really do like these. I've been using these for probably like around maybe like 3 weeks, maybe less than 3 weeks, y'all, because there's only 30 pills in here. I feel like these, I'm starting to, I don't know if I see a difference. I don't know, but I feel like I need to keep using these. I feel like I need to keep using them, but so far so good. I mean, I don't think I noticed like a huge difference. I don't know if you can tell if like, I don't know. Can you tell the difference when you take probiotic pills? Girl, I don't know. But anyway, this is the Private Party one, and it's supposed to support the vaginal and urinary tract health. It has cranberry plus probiotics, and these are vegan capsules. One thing about this, when you take this, girl, make sure you have a full stomach, okay? I mean full. Like, make sure you eat a whole live meal, because if you eat like a little snack and take this, your stomach gonna be hurting, girl. Like, it's gonna be hurting. So make sure you take a full live meal when you're taking these pills, because your stomach will be hurting, girl. And it is such like an uncomfortable feeling. But I really do like this. I really want to try to use some of their other pills that they have, because I've heard really good things about home pills. So I'm very excited to see like how the other products work for me. Not Bella coming up in here. Hey girl, come on. Okay, so my next favorite little body care product is actually going to be this Tom Ford Soleil Blanc. I think I'm saying that right. Soleil Blanc. I think I'm saying yeah, I think I'm saying that right. But it's basically just a shimmering body oil. I like to use this at nighttime, like when I want to feel a little extra cute, a little extra oomph. I go ahead and spray this on my body. This isn't too shimmery, so if you're expecting to really glow like the sun, glow like the stars outside, this is not it, okay? It's just like a little light little shimmer. I do like this because it smells really, really good. I love how this smells. But if you're looking for something that's a little bit more glittery, a little bit more shimmery, I wouldn't get this. But if you're like a person who just, you know, wants just like a little light little shimmer, then this is definitely your girl. I actually got this from Sephora. I think this was like $45. I can't remember, but this smells so good, y'all. Like, I honestly want to get the actual perfume. I never smelled the actual perfume, but I'm pretty sure it smells like this, because I mean, I don't know, I feel like it does, but this smells so good to me. I really do like this one. Alright, little mama, so that is basically all of the products that I feel like are my favorites so far. I want to like put some more stuff in my collection. Let me know if y'all have any suggestions on what I should try in my next shower routine. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Do not forget to thumbs up. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And I'll catch y'all in my next video. Peace.